Lagos International Airport is changing faster than ever before, and the progress made over the past few months has been truly remarkable. From massive construction works to brand new passenger facilities, the airport is gradually being transformed into a modern international gateway that will serve millions of travelers for decades to come. In today's video, we'll take a comprehensive look at the latest developments across the airport. We'll explore the progress on Terminal 2's brand new entrance, the construction of the new airport road network, and the Terminal 2 to Park Skywalk Bridge, which is now officially open and making passenger movement much easier. We'll also examine the latest Terminal 1 construction update, discuss how the expansion of the Terminal 2 aircraft apron will eventually lead to the demolition of the temporary international terminal, and conclude with a complete overview of the entire airport redevelopment project, showing how all the different phases come together to create a world-class aviation hub. This is one of the most information-packed updates on the renovation of Murtala Mohammed International Airport, covering everything from ongoing construction to the airport's long-term vision. So sit back, relax, and keep watching until the very end. You won't want to miss any of these incredible updates. Terminal 2 New Entrance and Expansion Project. As part of the ongoing modernization of Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Terminal 2 is also undergoing a comprehensive redesign and expansion that will significantly improve passenger experience, operational efficiency, and the airport's long-term capacity. As part of the redesign, additional entrances and exits are being introduced to improve passenger circulation, reduce congestion, and create a smoother flow of people throughout the terminal. And this is what the proposed new design will look like after completion. The difference is immediately noticeable. Rather than funneling nearly all departing passengers through a single access point before they make their way to the departure hall using escalators or elevators, the redesigned terminal introduces a far more efficient circulation system. Passengers will enjoy more direct access to the departures level, significantly reducing bottlenecks while improving convenience, accessibility, and overall passenger experience. The transformation extends beyond the terminal building itself. The road network surrounding Terminal 2 is also being completely redesigned to improve traffic circulation and connectivity throughout the airport complex. Once completed, the new road system will provide direct access to both the first and second floors of the terminal, making movement considerably easier for passengers, airport staff, emergency services, and airport support vehicles. Looking at the proposed architectural model, it becomes clear how these new entrance roads are expected to function.
In addition to the T2 extension, I'm sure most of you know about the congestion that we have at the airport due to some of the design issues that exist. So if you're coming through Terminal 2 today, you're actually coming in at the higher level or the lower level, sorry. So you're coming in at L1 and you're taking escalators with all of your luggage upstairs. That will stop because we're constructing new access, so entry and exit into the airport area so that you have more space for you to flow in terms of the traffic flow. You're also able to come in at the same level, so we're putting less pressure on all of the equipment and infrastructure that we have. So I'm really excited to see more of a prominent area, more green spaces around our airport environment, and of course the entry and exit within the airport area much more improved.
Another major component of the expansion project is the enlargement of the aircraft apron. The apron is the operational area where aircraft park, board passengers, refuel, load baggage, and receive various ground handling services before departure. Expanding this area will allow the airport to accommodate more aircraft simultaneously, including larger wide-body aircraft used for long-haul international flights. This additional capacity will improve operational flexibility, reduce aircraft waiting times, and position Lagos to handle increasing passenger numbers well into the future. To create sufficient space for this expansion, some existing airport infrastructure will be removed. The planned Terminal 2 aircraft apron expansion includes the demolition of the existing hangar beside the apron, as well as the removal of the temporary international terminal that is currently serving departing passengers. This has always been part of the airport's long-term master plan. The temporary terminal was never intended to become a permanent structure. It was constructed as a practical stopgap solution to ensure that international flight operations could continue while Terminal 1 underwent its extensive reconstruction. Once the renovation of Terminal 1 is fully completed and normal operations resume, the temporary terminal will have fulfilled its purpose and will be dismantled to make way for the permanent expansion of the airport's apron and supporting infrastructure.
We're going to be doing a lot of work to T2. I know a number of people have asked to say, look, what exactly is wrong with Terminal 2? When Terminal 2 was initially built, there was a litigation with the Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria and a concessionaire around the existing location. As such, the dimensions and the sizing of where T2 was built had to be reduced to accommodate the area that was available. We thank the federal government because we've now taken a look at the overall master plan. We've seen that there's some hangars who are actually obstructing the area. We're able to relocate those hangars. That way we can actually extend the finger in T2. Terminal 2 will now be able to accommodate additional 15,000 square meters. And let me tell you what that does. It's not just about increase in space. It's really the fact that in today's environment, we're actually able to only process one wide-body aircraft at a time. So for those of you who fly the likes of British Airways, Lufthansa, and KLM, you realize that you're landing in Terminal 2 today, but we're still moving you over, or you're checking in from Terminal 2, but we're still asking you to go through the finger in T1. That will stop post this reconstruction because we can actually use T2 as a fully functional facility where we can take more wide-body aircraft and you can actually go through the finger.
Terminal 2 to Car Park Skywalk Bridge. One of the newest additions to the ongoing modernization of Murtala Mohammed International Airport is the completion of the Terminal 2 Skywalk Bridge, which now provides a direct pedestrian connection between the international terminal and the airport's main car park. Although it may appear to be a relatively simple piece of infrastructure, the Skywalk is expected to make a significant difference to the overall passenger experience. Previously, arriving passengers often had to navigate busy roadways before reaching the car park or pickup areas. With the new elevated walkway now operational, travelers can move safely and conveniently from the terminal directly to the parking facilities, The bridge offers a faster, more comfortable and weather-protected route for passengers exiting the airport, reducing walking time while making it much easier to reach private vehicles, taxis and designated pickup points. For families traveling with children, elderly passengers and those carrying heavy luggage, the new Skywalk provides a much smoother and less stressful journey from the arrival hall to the car park. In addition to the new Skywalk, the Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria, FAN, has introduced an airport car hire service to further improve ground transportation for arriving passengers. While they may not be the largest components of the ongoing redevelopment, these improvements significantly enhance the arrival experience and reflect the airport's continued transition toward international best practices. The complete airport project overview. Let's take a look at the 6 major components that make up this ambitious redevelopment project. 1. Terminal 1 rehabilitation. The centerpiece of the entire project is the complete reconstruction of Terminal 1, the airport's original international terminal. The rehabilitation includes the installation of a brand new exterior facade, a complete interior renovation, replacement of all mechanical, electrical and plumbing systems, modern entrance canopies, and extensive structural strengthening to meet today's engineering and safety standards. Once completed, Terminal 1 will offer passengers a modern, more comfortable, and significantly more efficient travel experience, while providing the airport with infrastructure capable of serving future generations. 2. Terminal 2 expansion. While Terminal 1 is being rebuilt, Terminal 2 is also undergoing major expansion and modernization. The project includes a redesigned arrival hall, improved passenger circulation areas, upgraded mechanical and electrical infrastructure, a modern entrance canopy, and the construction of a new skywalk connecting the terminal to the airport car park. The expansion also includes the enlargement of the aircraft apron and boarding bridge areas, allowing the airport to accommodate more aircraft simultaneously, including larger wide-body jets used on long-haul international routes. 3. Transfer hub. Another exciting feature of the redevelopment is the transfer hub. The transfer hub will feature improved facade, interior, and modern mechanical and electrical systems that integrate seamlessly with the surrounding airport infrastructure. Once completed, it will play an important role in creating a fully connected airport environment. 4. Roads and bridges. The project includes the construction of new departure and arrival roads, additional bridges, elevated access routes, and improved internal road connections linking various parts of the airport. These improvements will allow passengers to access both the departure and arrival levels more efficiently, while significantly improving traffic circulation throughout the airport complex. As construction progresses, the new elevated road network is already beginning to reshape the airport's overall appearance and functionality. 5. Temporary departure terminal. To ensure that international operations could continue during the reconstruction of Terminal 1, a modern temporary departure terminal was constructed before the old terminal was closed. Although designed as a temporary facility, it incorporates many features found in permanent airport terminals. These include a modern steel structural framework, mechanical and electrical systems, passenger waiting lounges, airline check-in facilities, immigration and security screening areas, baggage handling systems, and boarding gates. The temporary terminal has played a critical role in maintaining uninterrupted international flight operations while construction continues on the permanent facilities. Once Terminal 1 is completed and fully operational, the temporary terminal will have fulfilled its purpose and is expected to be removed to allow for future Apron expansion. 6. Central Square landscaping. The final component of the redevelopment focuses on creating a welcoming first impression for visitors arriving in Lagos. The central square located in front of the airport terminals is being completely redesigned through an extensive landscaping program. The new design includes the planting of trees and ornamental vegetation, upgraded internal water supply infrastructure, modern paving, new curbs, pedestrian walkways, and attractive public spaces that improve both the functionality and visual appeal of the airport. Rather than simply serving as an access point, the redesigned central square will become an attractive gateway that reflects the image of a modern international airport. When viewed together, these 6 components illustrate the true scale of the redevelopment project. Although construction is still ongoing, the progress achieved so far provides a clear indication of the airport's future. Once completed, the transformation will deliver a safer, more efficient, and world-class gateway worthy of Nigeria's status as Africa's largest economy. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.